The Impalas Magazine San Francisco Lowrider Super Show and Comedy Jam is coming. One day only, Sunday, July 17th at the Cow Palace Event Center. Over 400 cars on display, all indoors. And performing live, Latin Kings of Comedy, Paul Rodriguez and friends.
My uncle's birthday so bad, I know it's him on the phone.
Also live in concert, Joey Quinones from the Sinceres Band. Doors open at 11 a.m. Kids 10 and under are free with a paid adult admission. For more information, visit impalasmagazine.com.